Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to assign the new Revolution Masterclass e-learning module on MapOwl 1 and the accompanying sign-off, which you'll use to make sure that you've seen each of your hosts within your own site deliver a class successfully to the new layout. So first step, as always with any assigning any learning, is to log into FlowMS. So I'm using my own login today. You'll be using your site's login to get into there. So I'm just going to log in and allow that to load. So now we are on the FlowMS dashboard, which is essentially our landing page for getting to any section of FlowMS. So our first step is to go to the left-hand side of the screen, which will pull out our contents essentially. And then if we drop into learning and development, our first option is assign learning. So we're going to give that a quick click. Perfect. So as we can see from the kind of different areas of assigned learning, number one is modules, which is really useful because that's what we need to do. So towards the kind of middle and right hand side of the screen, we can see that there is kind of three areas that we need to populate: module, start date, and due date. So this module, if we click onto that drop down menu and scroll through, within the SCORM section, there is a Revolution Masterclass guide, which I've just clicked on there. So start date is whatever date it is today that you are kind of assigning this learning. So today it's the 14th of March, so I'll populate that with the 14th of March. And then due date. So we have a due date for you. It's the 31st of March. That's when we need everyone to have completed this module. So all of your hosts within your bar to have completed that as the masterclass launches live to our guests on the 1st of April. So that's the correct module assigned with a start and due date. And now we need to assign the sign off, which will accompany the face-to-face delivery. So again, down this numbers section, almost of contents of assigning learning, we've got number 5, which is sign offs. So I'm just going to click on that. And then again, towards the middle and right hand side of the screen, you can see that new box with sign off list, sign offs, and then due date. So if we go into sign off list, this is where we've grouped sign offs together. We need to select Masterclass Training, which will now generate the list of sign offs, which if we click on, we can then go to Revolution Masterclass sign off. Similar to the module, we want this due date to be the 31st of March. So that's for all of our hosts who have completed the kind of the sign off and the e-learning module to kind of strengthen their learning of the new updated masterclass. Once that's done, all we need to do is select our learners that we need to assign this to. So number 6 on that kind of set of kind of options down the left hand side, we just click on that, which will bring up this new section. So for me, I can see the entire estate. So for this section, we will select the learners within your site, which will be really, really easy. You'll know who they are. So for today, I'm just going to assign the module to myself by searching my own name. You can see there that's brought up my name. Just going to click on that. And then once that's done, just click next, and you've got all of your learners that you need to assign to. And then in this last section here, this is just almost the summary. So we want to send emails, so we make sure our kind of learners are aware that we've set this. If this was something that you wanted somebody to do again, you could reissue completed, but at the moment, no one has done this, so there's no point selecting that. And then we just drop to the bottom here to review, Click on that, and that'll show me that I've assigned one module, one sign off, which we can check in here. And we can see one learner will be issued with this course. So it's important to make sure you've only assigned it to the correct number or the correct people, correct masterclass hosts within your site. Once we're happy with all of the things within this review, we just press confirm. And then that'll show that we've completed that and then that has gone through.